हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम शशांक जैन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की प्रैक्टिस। लेट स्टार्ट। द बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक एंड पासबुक ऑफ मिस्टर एक्स आर ₹20,000. द बैंक हैज इंस्ट्रक्शन to pay insurance premium of ₹1,500 directly to insurance company at the end of each month. On payment of insurance premium, bank debits the customer account by ₹1,500. So balance in passbook is decreased to ₹18,500, whereas balance in the cash book remains 20,000 until the information of such payment teaches the customer any records of such transactions. Direct payment into the bank by a customer. If such a payment is received by the bank, it will be entered in the customer account and also in the passbook. The account holder may come to know to the amount only when he sees the passbook. Dishonor of a discounted bill with the bank. If the bank is not able to receive payment on promissory notes discounted by it, it will be debited the customer account together with the charges may have incurred. The customer will naturally make the entry only when he sees the passbooks. Example: the balance as per cash book as and passbook of Mr. X are ₹20,000. Mr. X deposit a check of ₹3,000 to his bank account of ₹3,000 immediately, but bank will credit X account on realization of amount. Now the check is dishonored for non-payment. Bank charges of ₹100 in his connection. Thus balance of Mr. X account in passbook stand of ₹19,900 after the transactions, while balance as per cash book stand of ₹23,000. So Mr. X was debited is